dead, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
bought it from
frozen.
Petco.
What's it dead now?
Frozen.
No, man.
That looks soggy.
Oh.
It's too warm.
It's too warm.
Yeah, it's too warm.
What happens if he eats it?
Why is it so
And it's
long?
too warm.
It's too warm, buddy.
Cold its mouth.
Well, yeah, because it sheds.
What's your last name?
Mickey Mouse happening.
Mickey's on the
See, just
You
go.
see, you have the snake skin beside you.
Where?
Look down.
Oh, that's his shedding?
Yeah.
That's so
That's
cool.
Cool.
Yo, food.
What's
good?
Mine is
That's me. The eyes are so cool.
We're feeding it.
I want to pet
A mouse.
This is snake with 2 heads.
Why would you tell me?
Mia says you're pretty.
I don't want to show the red.
You would just like her. Oh my gosh.
Thankfully, that's not a. Oh, dude, I have a hamster. When he dies, I'll bring him.
Oh, what?
Can he eat hamsters?
Look, Mom.
Uh-oh. Wait, does he have venom in it?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! It's gonna strangle it.
It's hell.
It's already dead, buddy.
Snake, he's already dead.
Right, hey, you guys gotta be quiet. Back up a bit. So every 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks.
Oh, yeah, because they hibernate. They're bears, so they hibernate or not.
It's already dead, buddy. You can let go now. You can let go.
I'm pretty sure they're like, why is it not dead?
I just heard one of you guys talking about snake skin being shed, and I said, well, there's the shed right there. So bags of skin over there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot.
That
is
It's not gonna hurt you.
Bro, you can let go now. Yeah, but if he like, why is he not
Dude,
dead?
you see how he grabbed that?
I ain't grabbing the snake skin whenever I'm gonna grab it.
What is with my
I
background?
want to touch it, but I can't.
I'm gonna kill you. You changed my supreme background. Dude, you know how far that is in my images?
I don't want to.
It took me an hour just to find it as soon as I downloaded it.
There's a snake with 2 heads.
Look at the rat tail.
Bro, he's already dead. You can't let go.
Honestly. Well,
Well, it doesn't know, so it's gotta go through the normal process.
hey, in like a year or two, or
Oh,
maybe
he's moving. He's moving.
in a year or two, if my hamster dies, I'll bring him.
No, it has to be fresh. You can't be dead for like forever.
Wait, do you
These
get-
guys
No, like
die
he
to be
doesn't die
frozen.
until like a year or two.
Do you have to get up on the pet more than Jake?
Yeah.
Yeah, whenever he dies.
Oh yeah.
Do you have to drown them or something?
He's eating it now.
I hope my hamster doesn't die till like.
Oh, bro, you can
Okay, you're
Oh, wait, is he eating it?
Ooh.
Oh, you can see him eating it.
Ooh, that's nasty.
I don't understand, like, his head's
Yeah.
too small. He eats them like little pieces.
Oh, I want to see him slurp up the tail like.
But if he gets more bigger, I'm like, uh-oh.
I'm pausing my video, so I want to see if I can actually video call my mom.
Oh my god,
I don't think there's any service in here.
Poor mouse.
Oh, that's a lot of blood.
What? Oh, you see?
Oh, I don't want.
There's another mouse. Oh no.
I know. I saw them drowning beside me.
I don't see.
Oh, I can see the blood. Uh-oh. Oh, that's no
Call my
good.
mom to show her.
That's no good. That is no good.
There's like. I can't even.
Whoa, his head's getting big for that. He's eating a mouse.
Oh,
Yeah, he's swallowing it whole.
Oh, I can see his scaly skin from his mouth.
Okay, y'all like way too close to that thingy.
It's fang.
Look, he's eating it, man. Yo, his
Yeah,
teeth
they
thrown
swallow it whole. Well, I guess not.
Is he done?
No,
he's still eating it.
He has a huge mouth like my sister.
I mean, he doesn't have bones.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. It actually has a.
I think he ate it.
No,
not all the way.
Oh, he ate it.
Not all the way.
I know.
You'll actually see it go through.
Wait, I want to see it go through the body.
No, you'll see it go through the neck.
Really?
Uh huh.
Can you see the neck? Oh, there we go. I can see the neck now. He's a fat neck. Because he's eating now.
Oh, I can see it. Ew.
Yeah, you can actually see him swallow it.
Oh my gosh.
Hell. I can see his mouth. I can see it.
That's nasty. Well, get you. Look, I just record your camera.
Yeah, leave record it.
Is he done?
Nope.
Oh, you can see.
Oh. It looks like he's trying to.
Oh no. You can still see it.
I like best hawk's nest ever. Right? It's rated PG.
I don't want to leave anymore. Oh, you can see his. Oh, you can see his legs.
Hold on, I'm gonna picture that because.
Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, go.
That's so cool.
You can see his legs.
He's a leg? Oh, I thought you were making a snake. I was like, yeah, snakes do not have legs.
They just born without legs. They just
I'm disgusted.
Oh
my gosh. That is amazing.
He decided.
You can actually see it go through. Look,
Yeah,
you can start to see it going through.
Oh, I see the head.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
That's gross.
I'm
scared.
I mean, it's already dead.
I'm scared of snakes.
I want a pet snake. I want a pet snake too.
Ew, why?
The body's still
Because
going.
you can actually feed it, and they're actually really cool. Oh my!
He really sick. I'll be fine. What? It's like in the back of his throat.
Hey,
Oh, you
guys,
can see it's
turn
trying
the
to
water
show
up for me. Turn the water up right there.
You can see it trying to. Oh, he's deep
Turn the
throwing it.
water up. Turn the faucet off.
Oh!
Alright.
Oh, over here, you can see it really good. He looks like a cobra snake.
Just Cobra Kai over there.
Oh my god.
Oh yes, that's the from cobra.
He's not in the clubhouse no more.
Donald!
Y'all just keep Who said that? That was funny. Eat it more.
Boy, yes. You can see his little legs. No, do not put it in there.
You know that was actually touching the mouse, right? You might want to wash your hands.
Yeah, he's already dead. He has germs.
I wonder if he's.
I want to see him just eat the
I wonder if he slips the
Oh, I can see his mouth. Ew.
He's like, that's too big of a bite.
He's like, nah, I'm just gonna swallow it. You can see his neck.
Oh no, too far away.
Oh, he picked it up. He picked it up.
That's like the time my dog showed me a squirrel. A dead squirrel.
I found a dead bird in my yard.
Same.
He's made progress.
It's a
Oh,
cobra.
look at his mouth.
It's a cobra snake.
Progress.
He's a
Cute,
cobra.
but deadly.
Oh,
Here.
that's so cool. I'm saying this for my dad because my dad hates this stuff.
Oh, he almost ate it.
He has a big mouth.